So I got this proposal sent in. Now it's not bad, but it could be better. Let me show you how. So the first thing I'm seeing here is that the client's name is missing. If you don't know, I've probably said this a million times before, but if you've never watched any of my videos, it's usually super simple to find the client's name either in the job post itself or in the reviews from past freelancers. So do a little bit of digging, and if you can, include the client's name in your greeting. Say, hi Sarah, hi Jack, hi whatever. It really goes a long way. Another thing I noticed while looking at this proposal is, again, it's good. It's a good proposal, but it's a bit too general. It essentially could be copy and pasted to many different jobs and you wouldn't be able to tell. And it's a little bit too much about you and too little about the job post itself or the client. Like, for example, you mentioned here you have 3 years of experience and you're top rated, which are all great, but how does that help the client? Like, you have to always tie back your experience and your assets to the client and how that helps them, because that's what they care about. Now, another thing that may help you, I see you're doing social media. So do you have like a case study maybe that you can attach to your proposal and then mention it in your proposal? Hey, I'm attaching a case study below with some results that I've gotten for previous clients. Or alternatively, if you don't have a case study yet, which you probably should have if you have 3 years of experience, but if you don't, you can attach like a portfolio, a PDF portfolio that you can create easily with Canva. I'm actually planning a video right now about that, so if it's not up yet, it'll be up soon, so check it out on my channel. But having that kind of social proof, like proof that you've done the work before and that you can do what you said you can do, that you're not all talk, is really important. Now, another thing that reading this job post, I can't tell what industry the client is in, and this should probably be obvious just by reading your proposal. We wouldn't have to read the job post if the proposal was, complete enough. You could mention the industry they're in if you have worked with clients in a similar industry before, and let them know why you're the right person for that job. Again, tying it back to them always. Now, you also mentioned here that you're familiar with project management tools, design tools, and scheduling tools. I would love to know which ones. I'm sure you know more than one tool, but you probably have a favorite, so I would love to see that here. Or maybe if the client requested you to be proficient in a specific tool, mention that. Mention that you're familiar with the tool and reassure them that you can definitely help them out. You also say here at the bottom that the job description is exactly what you love to do as a social media manager. I would love to see more of that excitement. I would love to know exactly what you love to do, what it is about the job post that made you apply for it. And if you dare to go the extra mile, it would be great to see a video here. I, again, sound like a broken record, but I love using loom.com to record little videos, like 1 to 2 minute max, just introducing myself to the client, letting them know that I'm excited about it, what I'm excited about. Sometimes, in your case, in social media management, if I see their handle or something, I'll give them 1 or 2 tips about their socials that I would do differently. And yeah, just show that excitement. It's really important and clients will love it. And last but not least, I would love for you to ask a few questions. I know you said looking forward to talking further, but you could prompt that. You can make them want to reply to your message with their own message just by asking a couple questions. Ask them if they didn't include their social links, ask them to send you their socials so you can have a look. Ask what they've tried before in their social media strategy that hasn't worked. Ask anything that will help you do your job, but also that shows that you care and that you really want to get them know them better. So yeah, that's how I would make this proposal better. Now, if you too want your proposal to be audited right here on the channel, I'll have the link down below to where you can submit yours to be featured in a future video. I also recommend you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out when it's your turn, and I'll see you in the next video.